Hello everyone, this is Anshul Gupta and welcome to my channel Let's Code and Solve by Newton School. Today we're going to study about what are modules in Python. Before going to that, let's know what is Newton School. So Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. It has courses designed for freshers, working professionals and also for women with non-tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and helps you to become amazing full stack developer. And the best part is Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you don't have to pay Newton School anything until and unless you are being placed with minimum 5 lakh CTC. The top companies in which you are being placed that are Myshow, Deolite, 7-Eleven, Xiaomi, Snapdeal and many more. Here you can log in and sign up yourself. Now let us know what are modules in Python. So moving forward, what are modules in Python? So module allows you to logically organize your Python code. That is, like if you have to get your a code particularly like a beneficial part as in grouping related to the code as well as to the code related to your marketing module. It becomes an easier part to understand as well as to use it with the functional properties. So a module in a file containing the Python definitions and the statement. So a module is a Python object with an arbitrarily named that attributes, and you can also bind the reference. You can also get the reference part in that. So a module can be defined functions, classes, objects, variables, and there are many more. Simply a module is just a file consisting of Python code. Every file consisting of the code is being modelized in that, and function can be created including a runnable code. So grouping related code into the modules makes your code much more easier. Like it used to get that an understandable part, and it is easily to use it. Okay, it also make your code much more logically organized. Okay, like suppose we have an example to get a name, like we name our Python code module just anime. Okay, normally use residuals, and further that file name is anime.py. Okay, that happens to get the simplest function to get the module as well as your name files too. So in modules we have two things: functional definition plus executable statement. These two of the structural what they are being using, like it's a functional execution, functional definition and executable statement. Executed only and only when a module is imported. Without that it won't be working. Again, your module have some private symbol tables. Okay, each and every module has its private symbol table. Fourth, always and always avoid the name clash for global variables. Okay, now for global variables, suppose you have to get through the global variable name as in namespace. Okay, now suppose you imported the fibo, import feb or feb2, you can do that. Okay, but what happen when you do it, it will not be able to convert it also. Okay, now it depends like how it is being done or how it is not being. So what is the hierarchy of your Python code? Okay, so whenever you are being passing some statement or whenever you are being delivering some of the statements, it always and always executes. But before that, it will check out the which function is there, which modules is there, and then the collaborations of the packages in that. Okay, import statement we can use for the Python just for like executing an import statement such in Python code source and that. So in Python, what happened? It provides us to the both of the built-in as well as the standard library modules for numeric processing. Okay, so the for the power it is POW, and ABS is also an built-in function for instance, for computing power, for absolute values, and there are many more. For example, if you have a built-in math module that is import math, and you have to get then math to an exponential or the point part. So you have been writing the math.py or math point e. Okay, these are some constant the common constants in that. So import is a keyword, and importing is being done by the module into the Python script. Okay, when the interpreter encounters an import statement, okay, and it imports the module if the module is presented in the search path, and a search path is in a list of directories, or that the interpreter searches for the executional part. Okay, so that searches for the importing a module is in Skype. Okay, so suppose we are being importing some of the module, that is the Calc, Malek, any of that, we need to put that. Okay, and we need to add that page also, the import structure also, the following command for that, like import calc to, like, just to add it. Okay, so now comes what is the modelizations. So modularizations, like suppose you are also nowadays you do the modelizations just to uh, the beginning what it is and the ending what it is. Okay, so program can get a large of bugs in that, and it is commonly risk to join lot of bugs in the same time to move that. Okay, so for that we have been using the modelization. What it happens, it makes our functional modules more reusability, readaptability, and helps us to maintain. Okay, as a maintenance part. Now, why we use the module? For using the module, first of all, one of any one of the two import statements are there. Either it is the import the module name, or just an import the function or the constants in that. Another method is like you can module the name as well as the function as well as an arguments. Another one, that is you cannot like name the module, or you can just get that argument function and the function itself, no need to write the module name. And the operating system, we used to get the modules dealing with the files, operating system interactions, and many more are there. Okay, so what commonly we use in the methods of your operating system, that is OS, that get CWD, that is to get the working directory, then path selection, that is working directly, then make directory. Okay, you have to make the new directory, like suppose you have to make the new directory and not, or new folder, but you can write just the make directory. Okay, it's just a path name. So for own your, like if you want to own your own modules, 3 steps to remember. First, create a file with the function in it, or module name should be is same as the file name without .py. Second, import module name. Third, that is the another script should be the function modular name as a function name as an argument in that. Okay, so what happen if we separate the modules using the main use? First of all, your file containing in the Python should have the script file, then module file. Another, like when your module functions are being used in the script, but your modules can also be used in the script, but the condition is it should have your modular name. Okay, now when your script is being running, or within the script a variable called any of the name will set to the string of the main. Okay, so it is used for the casting or to running the script. What is the benefit of module use or main use? It can be defined functional part as in a script that is used in a module mode later on, because you also know, like if you have been using some of the module now, it won't be getting, because in the Python from any of the statement or any of your import it specifies the attribute from a module. Okay, so let's just do one or two programs for like importing, and like suppose if I have to add def add just like if I have to add two numbers, just to add def x and yz, and if I have to return again x and yz. Okay, again if I write same the def subtract subtract what to like subtract is x comma y. Return x y. Okay, now I have to just return it. So if I'll be writing any of the point, okay, just see if I'll be writing like print x and y, I'm not giving any, or output won't be showing because I am not giving any input value. Okay, so suppose if I have to here just write the value of x or y, so it will be giving me the value abstracted in that. Okay, so that how you can return your values just to import your calc or any of that in a similar way. Okay, that is the method to get an input part. I hope it has been clear to you. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.